Alright, I'm at the driving range here with Trusty Eagles bag, 2 scopes, check them out, and a lot of targets we can hit. Alright, this is the JosJos golf rangefinder with slope. I am a golfer and I use these things all the time, so I'm going to take this out of the course and test it, but I want to tell you a little bit about it first. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I can show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Good solid packaging, comes with a lens cleaner, and it comes with a case. And I've been messing with this a little bit in the yard, and I think it's pretty cool. Tell you what I like about this. Okay, so about the case, very nice case, nice looking case, solid feel to it. It's got a zipper on it, and so if you're putting this thing away in your bag, you can zip it up, keep it zipped closed, or it's also got the strap on here, so you can, if you're out on the course and you just want to keep this thing closed so it's not to collect dust and stuff, you can just use this strap and have easy access to it. It opens up when you first get this. The battery is inside the case, so you're gonna have to put that in yourself. First off, it looks great. The paint looks awesome on it, and I really like the fact that it's small. It's truly a small handheld device. It'd be great for, I stick them in my pocket all the time, my back pocket and my front pocket. This is perfect for that. I think it really looks good. It's got a focusing lens on it right here. Comes with a little lithium ion battery that's rechargeable. And what I like about this is it's easy to change. You got a little thing, you just slip out right here, unscrew this, battery pops out. It's got a little CR2 3.0 lithium battery. So if you got a lithium battery charger at home, you can choose that. And easy to put back in, just drop it in. Screw this back on, you're good to go. The functions on this, as far as rangefinders go, as far as I'm concerned, simple is better. So this is about as simple as it gets. It's got a slope button on the side. If you want the slope on, you leave it on. If you don't want any slope on, you just flip the button to slope off. So that's it, slope on, slope off. You got a little focus on here, so when you're looking through there, you can focus it. The eye lens you look through is on the top, and the lasers are on the bottom. So one thing when you're using this, you want to make sure you don't you're holding it with one hand and you got it like something like this where you're blocking those lasers. So make sure you got it in a spot where you're not blocking the laser. So simple to use. You press the button once and it turns on, and you can see it in the lens. You center it over your target and just tap the button once, and it locks onto it and it vibrates to let you know that it's locked onto the target. You can't get better than that. Easy. There's a mode button on the side. Very simple. The mode button, you press and hold it, and it changes it from yards to meters. Press and hold it again, changes it back from meters to yards. Can't get any simpler than that. They said the range on here is 690 yards. I would be surprised at that. I usually don't factor these things in to work any farther than 300 yards and be accurate, but we'll check it out. We've got it zipped up, ready to throw it in the bag. Let's take it out in the course and compare it to some other scopes. Like everyone else out there, I hit my pitching wedge 160 yards. So we'll see if this is accurate or not. All right, I'm here at the range. Got 2 different scopes here. I'm here with the guy that actually shot these targets originally in the first place. So got the JosJos one right here and this GoPro. So we're gonna do a little demo, see how they stack up against each other. So I'm gonna go with the GoPro first at the 100-yard marker. We got 99 yards on the GoPro. Here's the JosJos. Shooting 98 yards. Now it's important to note that all of these yardages were shot from the middle of the range and not on this on the side, so it's probably going to be a little bit of a discrepancy. Hit the 150 marker. Should I measure it at 151 at the 150? Exactly dead 100 from here on the 100 marker. And the 200. Measuring 204 with the slope of 195, and this thing goes downhill. So pretty spot on according to the range stats. We're going to have to take it out on the course and check it out, but pretty good. Nice handheld device. Palm of your hands. Look for a good rangefinder. Nice, good, solid design. Handheld. Fits in your pocket. Comes with a nice case. And pretty spot on according to the range. Check out this one by JosJos. Check it out.